to do something for yourself, you don't need time, you need courage. What I'm stitching today may seem simple, just a borderline, but every pull of the thread is a quiet reminder that I'm creating more than a design. I'm stitching a stronger version of myself. And maybe, through this video, you'll feel inspired to do the same. I used to think embroidery was just a hobby, something for passing time or decorating the home. But one day, when I felt a little lost, I picked up a needle, a few threads, and a plain piece of cloth. That day, I found a little piece. My first stitches were far from perfect. The lines were crooked, the tension uneven, but I didn't stop, because that messy line, that was my starting point. This message is especially for women who constantly put themselves last. For the home, for the family, for everyone else. You deserve to have something just for you. Time, space, stillness. Embroidery can be that space. No pressure, no judgment. Just you, a thread, and a small piece of calm. You're not wasting time. You're reclaiming yourself. Maybe you've thought, I'm not creative. I don't have time. I'm too old to learn. I'm not good enough. But you know what? I thought all of that too. Then one day, I simply started. One line, one mistake, one thread at a time. And slowly, I found my rhythm. I found joy. You will too. Because you're not just a mother, a student, a wife, a worker. You are also an artist, a creator, a strong woman who can build something beautiful with her own hands. Even though this border design is now almost complete, the journey of building yourself is never over. If this video made you feel calm, inspired, or reminded you of something you've been missing, please share that feeling forward. If you're watching from Facebook, like this video, comment with how it made you feel, follow my page, PT Blog, and don't forget to share it. Maybe your share will give another woman the strength to begin. And if you're watching from YouTube, please leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel, PT Embroidery channel, where I share not just stitches, but stories of softness, strength, and starting again. Pick up a needle, hold a thread, draw a line. Let it be your first step back to yourself. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to begin, and that is more than enough.